Hello, I'm Attorney Chinwe Foster with the Foster Law Firm. Today I'm going to talk to you about legitimation. Legitimation, not legitimization, as some of my clients like to say. Legitimation. So what is legitimation? Let's talk about it. Legitimation is a legal action in which the father of a child born out of wedlock in the state of Georgia can assert and establish his legal rights to that child. So you might be thinking, why do I have to establish my legal rights? I signed the birth certificate. Unfortunately, in Georgia, that doesn't mean too much. It means that basically you have the right to pay child support. It does not establish your legal, custodial, or visitation rights. That's what you would have to file a legitimation action for. Some fathers, in fact, a lot of fathers want to do more than just pay child support. A lot of fathers want to have a say in what school their child goes to, what sports, what activities their child is involved in, whether or not their child can get braces. Fathers want to have their legal rights. In order to do that in Georgia, you have to file a legitimation action. So how do you do that? There are two ways in which a father of a child born out of wedlock in Georgia can legitimate his child. The first way is by marrying the mother of the child. Some people may not want to go that route. So if you don't want to take that route, the second route that you can take is by going to court and filing an action for legitimation. Only the biological father can file an action for legitimation. A mother cannot do this. So unfortunately, you don't want to, or you can't marry the mother of your child born out of wedlock. And you need to take the second route and go into court and file an action for legitimation. So the first thing that you need to do is contact my firm at fosterlawga.com. After you've done that, we would file an action for legitimation in the county in which the mother or the child resides. Now, what if the child is already living with you? You still have to file an action for legitimation because you still don't have any rights. Even if the child is living with you, Georgia law does not recognize you as having any rights until you've went to court and filed this action. I know it's unfortunate, but it has to be done. Now, it's a lot easier to legitimate your child and get your custodial rights established if the child is already living with you. So for any fathers out there, if you currently have your child is living with you, now is the time to file an action for legitimation before the mother decides to come back, take your child, and tries to put you on child support, even though the child's been living with you and you've been caring for your child this long. So that was a quick rundown on Georgia legitimation law. If you're a father and you've had a child born out of wedlock and you want to establish your legal, custodial, and visitation rights, make sure you contact us. I'm Attorney Chinwe Foster with the Foster Law Firm, where we specialize in aggressive and effective legal representation. You can reach us at 404-525-3082 or at fosterlawga.com. Thank you for watching.